Hi friends, today we are going to review and unboxing the new MP5 P5130. So this is a option 4.1 inch LCD touchscreen. It supports radio, U-disc, TF, COT, Bluetooth, equalizer, clock, rear view camera, 7 color backlight, 2 USB port for charge. It is a 4.1 inch screen. It supports radio, Bluetooth, COT, U-disc, rear view, 7 color backlight, subwoofer output also. And you have two USB port, and it is a capacitive touchscreen. So here you can see all the option. It is different language, Italian. Here you get English. Okay, this side. Okay, so let's open it and check out what is in the box. So here you get the steering wheel remote control. This has a nice look, very nice. You have the wire harness, the remote control, and the user manual. Wow, it's quite small. I was thinking it was a little bigger, but it is quite small, this one. So let's see here. You have your antenna, video in, rear camera, video out, subwoofer, audio out, left in, right out, your mic, and your power. This is the side, the upper side. You can see the diagram, how to connect it. This is the front. You get the volume, power button, the mic. Here's the mic, infrared sensor, your card slot SD, your ORS. This is your 2 USB, and this is touch, and this is a screen. So that's all for reviewing this product. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.